Is affiliate marketing worth it? That's what we'll be covering in this video. But first, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In simple terms, affiliate marketing is just about promoting other people's products and earning a commission from each sale that you make. The commission is a percentage of the product's price. So for example, let's say you have a blog about gardening and you're promoting a gardening tool that you believe is really great. Well, you write an article about it and then include your affiliate link to the product. Someone clicks your link, goes to the gardening tool site, and decides to buy it. The company who makes the gardening tool will then pay you a commission for referring the sale. So is affiliate marketing worth it for beginners? Yes. And here are 5 reasons why. Number 1, affiliate marketing is low risk. When starting any new business, there's always going to be some level of risk involved, right? But with affiliate marketing, that risk is so much lower than other types of businesses because there's no need to invest in inventory or create your own products. All you need is a website or a blog and some time and effort to start seeing results. Number 2, affiliate marketing is easy to get started with. Another reason why affiliate marketing can be especially attractive to beginners is because it's relatively easy to get started compared to other types of businesses. For example, if you want to start an e-commerce store selling physical products, that would require setting up an online store, adding product descriptions and images, setting up payment processing, shipping logistics, all that stuff. But with affiliate marketing, all you need is a website or a blog where you can promote the different products and companies through links called affiliate links. And when someone clicks on your link and buys something from the merchant's site, you get the commission. It's that simple. Setting up an online e-commerce store can be complicated and very time-consuming. I mean, it's true, once it's up and running, it can be very profitable. But if simplicity and low risk are what you're looking for in starting a business, then affiliate marketing might be perfect for you. Number 3 is you don't need a lot of traffic to start generating sales. With other types of businesses like e-commerce stores or service-based businesses, you often need quite a bit of traffic before seeing any significant results. But with affiliate marketing, even just a few sales per month can start generating sizable commissions. That's because unlike other types of businesses where customers purchase directly from your website, with affiliate marketing, they first click on your link, which takes them to the merchant site, and that's where they make their purchase. So even if only 1% of your visitors who click on your link end up buying something from the merchant site, that still means sales. And as we all know, the more sales, the more money you've made. Number 4, you can promote almost any type of product or service as an affiliate marketer. One great thing about affiliate marketing is that almost any type of product or service can be promoted through this channel. Whether it's physical goods like clothes and electronics, digital items like ebooks and software, or subscriptions like magazines and memberships, or services like web hosting, or even things like travel packages, virtually anything can be sold through affiliates. Now, this gives you endless possibilities in terms of what type of products or services you want to promote for a commission. Number 5, affiliate marketing can be highly profitable. Last but not least, another huge reason why beginners and even experienced marketers are attracted towards building an affiliate marketing business is because this channel has potential to generate a lot of money. In fact, many successful affiliates make tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Of course, how much money you make ultimately depends largely on factors such as traffic levels, conversion rates, the quality of the products and services you're promoting, as well as how hard you are willing to work at starting your business. But if done right, there is potential for making serious income through affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing correctly and use it to generate a full-time 6-figure income online, check out the link in the description for my #1 recommendation for succeeding with affiliate marketing. It is the step-by-step guide on using affiliate marketing successfully. It offers instruction and guidance from a team that's assisted thousands of people in launching successful online businesses. So check out the link in the description. No obligation, it's entirely up to you. Take care.